Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you have an Apple ID and that two-factor authentication is active. This secures iCloud Mail. Once done, on a Mac go to System Settings, click Apple ID, then iCloud and enable Mail. On Windows install iCloud for Windows and turn Mail on. Make sure your OS is updated so the Mail client supports iCloud. After enabling Mail, open the Mail app or navigate to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID to proceed to account configuration. You'll now add the iCloud account inside your Mail client so messages sync properly. On Mac OS, use Internet accounts to add your Apple ID. On Windows, follow iCloud for Windows prompts. Approve the two-factor authentication request on a trusted device and enter the verification code when prompted. Then choose which Mail folders to sync, pick the iCloud address as the default sending address if desired, and create a short signature. Make sure Mail refresh frequency and notifications match how you want to work. Finish by sending a test message from your new iCloud address and verify receipt on another account. This confirms SMTP and a map are working. If Mail won't send, inspect outgoing Mail server, SMTP settings, SMTP, Mail, Me, Com, or reselect the iCloud account in Internet accounts. Once done, organize folders and rules so new messages go where you want. If syncing fails, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in. And make sure Apple's system status shows Mail is operational as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.